Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to get an invoice from AliExpress. So let's get into the video. So firstly go to AliExpress and log into your AliExpress account. So once you've logged into your AliExpress account here, so what you're going to do, hit on this account option here on your top right, go to my orders. So when you click on my orders here, this will show up all the orders that you have placed so far on AliExpress. Simply select the order that you want the invoice for. So for example here I just have one order, I will use this as an example, and then you will see order details option here. So simply click on that order details option. So once you click on the order details option, if this order has been shipped to you, you will see the download invoice option here. So simply click on it and that will open up the invoice for you, and that's how you access the invoice on AliExpress. Since since this was not shipped to me, I don't have the invoice here because I didn't pay for it. So you should be able to see the download option here. Simply click on the download option and that will pop up the invoice for you, and that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.